Identifying the beginning, middle, and ending sounds in words help your child to be a strong reader and a strong speller. Here are some ways to play with sounds with your child. Now, we're going to be sound detectives. We're going to listen for just the first sound in the word. Okay, are you ready? Hamburger. What sound does hamburger start with?
Hamburger. The beginning sound is
Good detective work. Now you give me a word and I'll be the detective and find the first sound.
bike.
Bike. Bike. Bike begins with the B sound. Am I right?
You sure are. Good job.
Okay, that was such good detective work. How about we find the last sound in a word? I bet you can do that. Okay, what is the last sound in bed? Now you repeat it and hear the last sound.
Bed. Bed. The last sound is D.
Good. Here's another. What is the last sound in drum?
Drum. Drum. The last sound is D.
Drum begins with the sound D. But what is the ending sound in drum? What is the last sound you hear? I'll say it again. Drum.
Oh, I hear it. The last sound is Drum ends with a sound.
Good work. Okay, now for really good detective work, we're going to find the sound in the middle of the word. So here's an example. In the word mop, I hear p. In the beginning, I hear At the end, I hear p. And in the middle, I hear ah. I found it. Now you can be the detective. What is the sound in the middle of the word pig?
I, G. The middle sound is I.
Good detective work. Here's one more. What's the sound in the middle of the word gate?
G, A, T. Gate. The middle sound is T.
T is the sound at the end of the word. Listen carefully to hear the middle sound. G, eight. What is the sound in the middle?
Oh, I hear that. The middle sound is A. This is fun. Now I can find the first, middle, and last sounds in a word.